Hey guys, what I'm about to roll now is part two from Brutin Branch. Now this is the thermal that we took, and if you'll see like part one at the end of it, I talked a little bit about it, touched a little bit about it, about not feeling well. Well, this is part two, and this is like I said, the thermal. Now, I want to make something perfectly clear. I am not making any assumptions of what was out there. I'm not making any stretch, anything else. If you notice during the filming, I didn't see what I'm going to show you. And it's just a glimpse. I'll slow it down, I'll show it. But I actually didn't see it out there. And if you notice, I was not feeling well. And the reason that I stopped on the way out and just looking at things and saying, oh, that may be moving or whatever, nothing was moving. I was moving. I was spinning. And I'm getting over it. It's much better today. It's what, 2-3 days later, but 2 days later, I guess. I'm feeling much better. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just going to show you this. I thought at first I wasn't even going to show you. Just thought it was just terrible. I'm not happy with the thermal camera, and I know this is the cliche, but please watch to at least when I'm done with thermal. So because I'm going to show you some human signatures. Just because I wasn't happy with the camera, and so when I came back, there was some campers next, my neighbors, and so I showed them on the thermal to give you an idea of. It works good there, and it was working good, and I don't know what happened up there, but it was grainy. It was, and it darkened and it lightened, but the reason so now you'll see the humans, and then you'll be able to compare that. Now the humans were probably 15 yards from me. I was standing at the back of the bus when I showed it to you, and you can see that, but maybe 20 at the most yards from me, and you can see the size of them. And when I first was filming this thing back there, and I looked at it, and I'm like, well, that's probably a little something, raccoon or something. But then when I looked at it, and I looked at how far it was from me on the thermal, it's probably a good 70 to 80 yards from me. And it was still a pretty decent size. So, I've seen raccoons through thermal that was only 20 or 30 yards from me, and they were smaller than this thing. So I'm not saying this is anything. Could have been a black bear. We're not supposed to have black bears here or at Pickwick. We're not supposed to, but we have them in East Tennessee, and they're all through Mississippi on the Tennessee River, or Mississippi River, excuse me. So who says that one can't be coming through here? It could be a black bear, something like that. I will do a slow motion thing now. You'll see it. I hadn't edited yet, but there's going to be a cut. But that's just from the blur of the camera moving, and I'm just going to cut that part out because looks like crap. But anyway, you get an idea of what it's looking like. So saying that, I don't think I can make it any more clear that I'm not making any assumptions of what it was. I'm not saying what it was. I have no idea what it was, and please don't. I can't make it more clear. Evidently at LBL I didn't make it clear enough, and had some comments about, yeah, you're making a stretch here of what this was. The eye shine was real, the thumps were real. There was some, a tree broke off and jammed in the ground. That's about the only thing that I said it was. Now the track was real. I screwed that up. But everything else is whatever. And even the pole, I guess even that 4-inch, 5-inch, whatever diameter tree could have been shoved in the ground by a human. I don't know. Don't care. Okay? Don't care. Some of those things were real, and I declared them real. And I stand by them, and it doesn't matter what anybody else says. I couldn't care less. But as far as all the other stuff, it was just, I said, just putting that out there. What it was, I don't know. Don't care. On this one, I don't know what it was, and I don't care. If you got some theories, or you got some insight on this, by all means, let me know. Let me know. So anyway, let's get on with the video. I gotta go edit it, and so let's get on with the video and let's get this shown, and you guys make up your own mind. Okay? Love you guys. You take care. I'm not going to put an ending to this thing. This is my ending, so it's already 5 minutes. So we'll see you guys. Okay. We're out tonight with thermal, so we just stepped in. Run. Anything that's dark and black is what we're after. I'm gonna figure out a way up through here. And all this foliage really does hurt you, man. It's kind of strange. My GoPro went dead as soon as I stepped into this thing. As soon as I stepped up here. It was on full charge. I'm feeling lightheaded. I'm not feeling well at all. It's kind of strange because once Momo goes in, she never comes out. That could freak you out, couldn't it? I don't know what it is. It's just two trees. But yeah, that could freak you out. I think it's black. I'm pretty sure black is the heat. No, there's a white. I think it's a tree though. It's just so much foliage, guys. So much foliage. Okay. Man, I'm dizzy. I can't hardly take a step. Guys, I'm like getting flush. Like, thinking I'm wanting to puke. Well, I hate this. This is the second time that it's screwed up. But you know what? Seriously, guys, I'm getting sick. So I'm gonna have to back out of here if I can. I'm having a hard time moving right now. That white right there. What did that look at it? It looks like it's leaning out, doesn't it? Let's see if anything moves. Oh guys, it moves. It's moving. No, maybe not. I don't know. Could be why I'm getting sick. I don't know. I'm out. Well, that's a little dimmer. Making me sick right there. No, I think that's a tree. What happened? Oh, this is starting to jumble up. I'm scanning because I've made it as far as I can right now without puking. There's that. Oh, look at the lights. I think that's sky though. I hope so. That's some wild looking lights. But this is pretty dense forest. You can still get to the trees though. Wait a minute, no. That one's down low now. Okay. Looks like a little stump, sort of, doesn't it? Looks like someone's sitting on the side of that hill. watch it. See, I think it's a stone for a piece of wood or something. I don't think it's. Unless it stands up. If it stands up, then we have to talk about it. But I can't. No, that ain't nothing. I'll make it a little bit further. There's a little old hill around here somewhere. There. Huh. Walking right in front of a sign. Okay. I'm not feeling any better, guys. I'm scanning the trees just to, let's just go back to where we came from. I don't know, we'll have to try a different one, different filter. But this one worked best last night. It was amazing. Seeing people move and walk. I was being able to watch them. Saw two people walking down the street. Here you cannot see, it's pitch black. But you can't tell that because, well, you know. Anyway, I don't know, something was making me sick. Now I got a headache. Yeah, anyway, I'm done with this, guys. Where's my bus? There's my bus. Alright, there's my bus. I'll show you what people look like in this thing. See those black dots? Those are people. All sitting at a table. That black thing to the right of is a fire. But that's how people look. You know, that's the heat signature, the black. So that's why I was looking at the black things. We'll try it next time on the white. I'm not impressed with this camera right now. I'm gonna have to get out there and do a full thing and some. I like it, see, but I see it like this, so I know it works well. You got a lot of foliage, you got a lot of stuff going on in there, but you can see the people clearly. Let's see if yeah, see, there's people down there. You see them clearly. So, you know, when I put it to the test like this, it's like, yeah, okay. So, yeah, that's as far as... Guys, I really don't feel good. I'm all clammy. I mean, it hit me when I walked in there. Actually, when I was getting off to the street, there's a little hill you got, I mean, just a little, maybe, no, 20 feet maybe to get up into the woods. This is not my best light, is it? No. I don't feel good. I mean, I'm clammy, I'm sweaty, and it ain't hot out here. I feel like I want to puke. I don't know what it was. Who knows? All I know is the GoPro went dead. I just charged it. GoPro went dead. I started feeling sick. I don't know. I'm not going there. I'm not saying it's anything. I'm just telling you what happened. So that's why we're done. Got to get back to the LBL. This has got me intrigued, though. I might have to come back down here when I know I'm healthy. which I know I'm healthy now, but I mean, after I've gotten back healthy.
Really?
Yeah, you know, with my knee messed up. Sorry, keep going. I'm just thinking about one. I'm sick. Gosh. I mean, no fear, no nothing like that. Just, I don't know what that was. I don't know. Maybe I hit a bug or something going in. I'm rambling. I'm gonna let you guys go. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe we'll just wrap this up at the house. But this is a great place to camp, by the way. Brutin Landing or something. I don't know. I'll get you the rest of it tomorrow, whatever the name is. But great place to camp. Unless you're gonna go into the woods. You know, I went with Momo. We never felt anything. Everything was fine. Matter of fact, I was just telling these people how lethargic it feels around here. LBL, you got some energy. Look at my eyes, guys. I mean, they ain't good. All right, guys. I gotta go. We'll holler at you in a little bit.